pulled out ahead by 17/100ths of a second. Tight match. Let's give a big hand to second place from USA, Stackers.
And Team Chain Lightning for the 12 and under cycle to table 22.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, your world 2011 12 and under cycle relay champions from Thailand, Red! Thailand Red will be going up against the first place cycle relay champions from the 10 and under division. Good luck to you over there. That will be a double elimination.
Nakakahiya kayo ba daw?